Hey everyone, it's Kaleem here from Barista Kaleem PK, and today I've got something special to warm you up this winter. Picture this, it's snowing outside, the fireplace is crackling, and you're curled up with a cozy blanket. The only thing missing, a delicious peppermint mocha in your hand. Let's make it happen. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 2 shots of espresso, 1 cup of steamed milk, 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract, and 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. And for those who love a bit of extra flair, whipped cream and crushed candy canes are optional but highly recommended. Alright, let's get brewing. Start with your espresso. If you don't have an espresso machine, strong brewed coffee works too. Next, steam your milk. You want it frothy and hot, but not boiling. Now here's where the magic happens. In your favorite mug, mix the espresso with the chocolate syrup and peppermint extract. Give it a good stir to combine all those wonderful flavors. Pour in the steamed milk, holding back the froth with a spoon, and then top it off with the frothy milk. For the grand finale, add a generous dollop of whipped cream and sprinkle some crushed candy canes on top. Trust me, the crushed candy canes add a delightful crunch and burst of peppermint with every sip. A quick tip. Always use high-quality chocolate syrup and fresh peppermint extract for the best flavor. It makes a world of difference, and there you have it, folks. A peppermint mocha that's sure to become your go-to drink this winter. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cozy coffee content. Stay warm and happy sipping. Catch you in the next one. Peace.